हेलो एवरीवन, नीचे डर्मा ने डेली स्टार्टर किट फॉर एक्ने प्रोन स्किन इंट्रोड्यूस किया है which has cleanser, toner, serum and moisturizer. First use cleanser, massage your face and neck, then rinse it gently and then use a hygiene and soft towel for cleaning your face. Second, spray toner on your face and dab on cleansed face and massage it properly until it absorbs properly in your skin. And the third one, massage the serum onto cleansed face until it's absorbed. You can massage it also so it can absorb properly. And lastly, apply a small amount of moisturizer on your face and neck. Massage it properly so it can absorb and your skin take it properly for best result. Use it regularly for best result 2 times a day. It controls acne breakout, brighten your skin and hydrate your skin and boost healthy and glowy skin.
जुल्फें तेरी काली घटाएं धूप में बादल मिल ही गया ये तेरी निगाहें करम फरमा